they slip away like smoke through trembling fingers. We're drowning